Look at how it Alrighty, so she has her eyebrows down and we are packing on the Louise Base with a 252 brush from MAC all over the lid. And we are not setting this primer. We want it to be dewy, that way it grabs onto our shadows. So we're using the KKWX Mario palette. And the first color we're gonna go in is Miami, which is this brown one right here. And we're using the 224 brush. And we're gonna add this all over the crease in circular motions. And you want to add it all the way to that inner corner too. Our second color is going to be Albanian. And this color I'm going to be packing all over the lid. I didn't know where to put it, but I ended up putting it all over the lid, as you can see. To deepen up the outer portion of the eyelid, I'm buffing out Loyalty, starting from the lash line and diffusing it upwards. And here I'm using the 217 brush. And then using a small packing brush, I'm using Decade to brighten up that inner portion of the lid. So nice. So nice. Ooh, for liner, I'm using my 210 liner with the Inglot Liner, and this one is in 77, which is the black liner. To blend out the black, I use the 217 with a small amount of Albanian shadow. Now here you can kind of see that her eye that liner is just going upward, and I didn't want that. So I took it off like 3 times. Her poor eye was just really irritated, but I literally took it off 3 times because I was not happy. But I didn't record that because I was like, I'm wasting time. I literally spent 20 minutes on the liner because it was just not where I wanted it to be. But anyways, to spice up the eyes, I use these lashes from Lash Dream called Daydream. I also have a discount code for 15% off. Moving on to the face, I use the ProLongwear foundation in NC30. And I'm just packing it on because I really want the face to be covered. If I swipe it, it's not going to give me as much coverage as I wanted to. So I'm just going to pack it on. And then concealer, I use the ProLongwear NW15. And then to bake, we're not there yet. I'm getting too excited. So then I blend it with that foundation brush again. Blend, blend, blend. There we go. To bake. To bake, I mix the perfecting powder from MAC and the translucent powder from MAC. And then for the rest of the face, I use the Studio Fix powder in NC30. Going back to the eyes, I applied the Inglot Liner and then diffused it with Loyalty. To really make the eyes the focus feature, I added a liner to the inner corner to make it look like that cat eye. So you can see it's just really giving her that focus. Back to the face, using 135 brush, adding Refined Golden Bronzer from MAC. Then to chisel out the cheeks, I use blush. Oh my god. I use blunt blush. And then a pinky bronzy blush for color. And then for highlight, I'm adding the Amrezy highlighter to all of the high points of her face. And to finish the look, she applied the NYX Liner in Nutmeg, Shrimpton Lipstick, and a gold sparkly gloss. As you can see, it just gives her that nice plumped look on her lips. And there she is, Kim Kardashian at her finest. Well, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate those who subscribe. But anyways, I will put all my cousin's info down in the description box if you want to go follow her. And that is all. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
I'm saying look like it's a fish. Fuck up a check at your bitch. Us the coupe and the bitches. I fuck up a bag at the Fendi. I fuck up a bag in a minute. Who you don't trip like this? Who you don't build like this? I pop a shit like a dude. Pull up and pop at your crew. Shit poured out my whole heart to a piece of shit. Okay, so I brought a couple stuff. First off,
deja vu, that shit was deja vu. Reminiscing on the one time we smashed in the back of the whip and you gave me that head. I swear to God, that's the best night of my life. I can't even sit here in front and lie and pretend. Dancing with your titties, I'm like,